Here is the unpainted carbon fibre nose for the McAMS Yamaha BSB R1, and we are going to show you how we create a paint protection kit for it. We tested our road R1M kit to see if it would fit. As you can see, this nose is wider, taller and doesn't need the mirror cutouts. So, we masked it up and traced the nose for our new Bespoke kit. The traced sins were scanned and opened in Illustrator, where our designer created the digital drawings, shown by the red line on this piece. The next stage involves creating a test kit cut from our paint protection film. We fit the test kit and make a note of any amends that are needed. In this case, where the pieces met, they overlap slightly, and the side pieces needed trimming at the bottom. The amends were made and the kit was refitted to make sure it was right. Then it was off back to McAMS for the nose to get painted. Arriving at Brands Hatch, we headed straight to the McAMS garage to fit the paint protection kit to Jason O'Halloran's R1 nose. As you can see, once fitted, it is very hard to see. Jason then raced the R1 around Brands. When he returned, we had a look at the kit and how it had protected the nose from various chips and marks. But then, in race 2, fortunately, Jason was all okay. The bike went down on the side of the nose. It had taken up the edge of the film and the impact and slide, but when we peeled the film back, the stickers and majority of the paint was still as good as new. The front of the nose showed signs of marks and a nasty chip. We removed the film to reveal it was fine underneath. The sides of the nose had a few marks, but again the panels were fine underneath once the film was peeled away. This video shows the film still on. And this is with the paint protection kit removed. Our kit protected the majority of the paintwork in a fast BSB crash, when it is designed for shielding against gravel and marks from everyday road use. Thanks to our protection, the nose can easily be repaired. Get your paint protection kit at eazi-grip.com.